Work visa, employment visa. To obtain a work visa, employment visa, for Germany, you will need to prepare several documents to prove your eligibility and support your application. The exact requirements may vary slightly depending on your country of origin and the local German consulate, but the following are the typical documents you should prepare. 1. Completed visa application form. The visa application form can be downloaded from the website of the German embassy or consulate in your country. Fill it out completely and sign it. 2. Valid passport. Your passport must be valid for the entire duration of your stay in Germany and have at least 2 blank pages. 3. Passport photos. 2 recent biometric passport photos, according to German visa photo requirements. 4. Job offer or employment contract. A formal job offer or an employment contract from a German employer. The contract should specify details like job position, salary, working hours, duration of employment. The salary must meet the minimum requirements set by German law, especially for visa applicants. The exact amount depends on the industry and role. 5. Approval from the Federal Employment Agency, Bundesagentur für Arbeit. In most cases, your employer will need to obtain approval from the Federal Employment Agency in Germany, confirming that the job cannot be filled by a German or EU citizen. This document is called the Zustimmungsbescheid. 6. Proof of professional qualifications. If your job requires specific qualifications, you must provide evidence of your educational degrees or professional certificates. If your qualifications were obtained outside of Germany, they may need to be recognized by German authorities. The recognition process can be done through the Zentrale Stelle für Ausländische Bildungsabschluss, Central Office for Foreign Education. Translations and certification of your qualifications might be necessary if they are not in German or English. 7. Curriculum vitae, CV. A detailed CV outlining your education, work experience, and relevant qualifications for the job. 8. Proof of financial means. While you will be employed, you might still be required to show proof of financial resources or a bank statement for the first few months to ensure you can support yourself in case of delays with your salary payment. 9. Health insurance. Proof of valid health insurance coverage. In most cases, your German employer will provide you with statutory health insurance. However, you may need to show temporary health insurance that covers you until your official employment begins and you are enrolled in Germany's public health system. 10. Proof of accommodation. A document showing that you have a place to stay in Germany, such as a rental contract, hotel reservation, or a letter of invitation from a host. 11. Clean criminal record. In some cases, you may need to provide a police clearance certificate from your home country to show that you do not have a criminal background. 12. Visa fee payment. Proof of payment for the visa processing fee, which is typically around €75. 13. Language proficiency, if applicable. For some jobs, especially in healthcare or roles that involve customer interaction, proof of German language proficiency may be required. This is typically not required for highly specialized jobs in fields like IT or engineering. Additional documents. Work permit. If you're applying for a job that requires a specific work permit or qualification recognition, e.g., medical professionals, lawyers, you may need to show approval for this permit or recognized qualifications.